We're at the toy store. Oh yeah. Getting some goodies, stuff that we either need to replace or I just didn't have any of my own and tired of borrowing other people's. Yes. Gotta have the goods. Plus, I don't want to put my tools, especially the sharp ones, with my drills anymore. Alrighty, they got all of this attached together and secured. Now I just need to trim off those little edges here, there, and everywhere. And we got started on some weed pulling. I would like to start with the closest to where I'm currently working and then move out for that. And we got some of the things out of storage, mostly just enough to get to the screws so that they could use those to attach the boards together for the bridge. Still have a ways to go before we're able to get to the panels, which are actually behind that black one right there. And of course we gotta get the stuff off the top. But we don't have to paint anything, which I'm so happy about, because when you're painting black panels in 90+ degree weather, it's not so fun. But we do need to reattach all of the support beams, the outside ones, which are these right there. You actually can't even see the panels because they're so short. I can't even believe it. Because honestly, if I left them in one piece with their framing on them, I think that it would be way up to the ceiling, and there's no way we can get them down from there. So awesome work. It is hot out here. They did all the hard work, and I'm the one panting because it's hot out here. Well, I'm excited. This is a nice day 2. And yeah, I think we'll leave it this because it hasn't been this hot in a while, and I don't want anybody to get overworked in the heat. So we're going to call it a day, and we'll see you soon.